my second dream car at the age of 20. Let me just turn on the car for you guys. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna be doing one of the biggest moves of my entire life probably, and I'm gonna be buying my new dream car, inshallah. As I told you guys in my last video where I got my office, when you actually take the right steps, you kind of see where you're going with life and you kind of achieve the things that you want to achieve in life. So this is kind of the same situation. Now my Rolls Royce is parked back in the restaurant where I just got done eating, and we're gonna pick up the new car and then go drive to the Rolls Royce, and I'm just gonna do a quick comparison. Now you guys might be thinking, don't you already have two cars? Why are you getting a third one? What's the reason behind it? Now for me, guys, the most important thing is transparency. Now the reason why I would get a Porsche is because I want a replacement for my Dodge. Now I already have a luxury car which me and my dad use, alhamdulillah. I want something different. I want something more of a sports car, something that I can potentially maybe daily drive, weekly drive, whatever it may be, feel the vibe and just drive it off, you know, the garage. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do, guys. I am trying to find a replacement for my Dodge, which I currently, you know, drive the most. And I want to have something more fun, more enthusiastic, and we're gonna find out what that car is gonna be, or am I even gonna do the purchase, and am I even gonna go forward with this? You guys will find out in this video. But just to give you guys a quick background check on where exactly I'm coming from, I started to get my first ever car from my dropshipping money at the age of probably 18. I got my first ever car, which was IS250. It was a Lexus and it was a good car. It had a lot of issues, but it was something like a memorable car. You can never forget the time when you first ever got your first ever car, and that memory stays with you forever. So that's why to this day I say it was a good car, although it was a really shit car. But I just say it because it was a memory and I could not forget my first ever car, you know. The Lexus IS250 was around 21,000 dirhams, something like that. It was really cheap. The Dodge that I got was around 60k, around that. And the new Rolls Royce that I got was around a little bit over half a mil, alhamdulillah. The new car is actually around 800k. So it's just going up and up and up. And this is a lesson for everyone who's watching. If you want to make more, you gotta spend more. Now a lot of people still to this day think that it's almost impossible to do it at the age of 20, but I'm telling you guys, if I could do it, you guys can literally do it too. You guys have the opportunity to literally turn your dreams into something true. Inshallah, we have just reached. We're gonna go check out the car and see how it is. Let's do it. Guys, I think it's finally time for me to finally reveal my future next dream car. Now, you guys might already have an idea from the title and the thumbnail, but I'm about to show it to you guys. The car itself is a masterpiece. It's one of my dream cars since the longest time, and I knew this day would come, inshallah, where I would be actually showcasing to you guys my future dream car. Now, here it is, boys. It's a Porsche 911 GT, guys. Allahumma barak. It's one of the best cars you could probably get in the market right now. The drive, everything feels insane. We just got it dropped off actually, alhamdulillah, and I'm testing out the car, checking it out, seeing how suitable it is for me, and to the fact that I might be getting this exact car. So as you guys can see, mashallah, it's a Porsche 911 GT. The price of this car actually ranges between 800 to 1.2 million dirham, depending on the specs. But this is one of the highest spec car, and it's actually a 2023 model. I'm about to show you guys the interior. Come, let's check it out, boys. I swear, this is literally one of the most mesmerizing cars you will look into. Like, look at how beautiful it is, bro. Boys, this is literally why you gotta work hard. Like, this is the definition of you actually working hard and achieving your dreams. Like, if you're not doing it for these things that you could actually have, the finer things that you could actually achieve in your life, what are you doing in your life, you know? Why are you not working hard? Why are you not actually investing into that business that could actually give you these returns? These things that you actually want to have in life. Man, I cannot even comprehend how beautiful it is, bro. From the back, from the out, from the inside, from the front, every freaking side is actually a masterpiece. And the eyes that this car gets, like on the road, is insane, guys. Like, every single person that I have looked into has actually looked into this car because of the colors too. But as you guys can see, man, this is the car right over here. It's like, you know when your car is like shit?
You know when you put in the bicycle the water
Yeah,
bottle?
wallah.
Yeah.
On God, bro, I swear to God. But yeah, let me just turn it on for you guys. Let's see how the beast sounds, you know? But as you guys can see behind me, there's a few more good cars. They want to actually be friends with me because I've got a nice car in the road. And that's something very true, guys. When you actually get a nice car, the network you will have is crazy. You will get DMs, you will get eyes, you will get literally reach out by millionaires talking about cars to you. And that's one of the ways you can actually build your network with individuals that could buy your car or buy a better car than yours, but they still want to have a chat with you. And this is one of the best things you could actually do. Let me know if you guys think this is actually worth the money that I'm gonna spend on this car itself. And if you guys think I should actually go for it, the black interior and everything, I do kind of wish it was bluish, maybe reddish. But anyways, it comes with so much fun, guys. We're gonna take it on a ride and we're gonna go have fun. So let's do it. This is the true sound of happiness. This is the real wallah. Might be thinking, why a Porsche 911 GT? Why not, you know? Looks so beautiful, and it's actually something that I've wanted for the longest time. I mean, look at all of these cars around here, mashallah. How beautiful are they? But then look at this one right here. Like this one right here is 1 out of 1, guys, right over here itself. Like, now let me tell you guys what I had in mind. Right over in this lane, I actually had a Range Rover Vogue in mind. But I'm not getting the Vogue because a friend of mine who has a Vogue, Fahad, has been struggling with his car for the longest time, and I don't want to get into that. Second option that I had was actually a Lamborghini Urus, which I'm kind of still debating because for the longest time I wasn't a fan of a two-seater car, but now that I've got the Porsche and I've driven it today, it's not that bad, you know? You can literally squeeze someone in the back and someone in the front trunk. It works. Then we had the Rolls Royce. I mean, your boy already has a Rolls Royce, alhamdulillah, man. So we already have the Rolls Royce in the garage. We don't need to get another one. Another Porsche, another Lambo. Now, Lambo was another option that I could actually get into. Not Urus, but a smaller Lambo. And that's something that I'm still kind of debating at the end of the day. I love the Porsche, but a Lambo doesn't sound too bad. I mean, you know what I mean? Like this Lambo right here is so beautiful. It's a Performante, I think. Yeah, one more car that I had in mind was actually a G-Wagon. The G-Wagon did not go through. It's something that is so common here in Dubai. And I do not want to get something very common, you know. I want to be a little bit special, and to be a little bit special, I think that Porsche 911 really tops it off. Am I going to buy it? That's a question that's going to be answered by time, inshallah. And you guys already know, if I bought a Rolls Royce, do you think a Porsche GT3 would be hard? By the will of Allah, it's all going to be easy, it's all going to be possible, because I know I am putting in the work, I know I'm actually working hard, and I know inshallah Allah will bless me with something even this or even better, whatever it may be. And yeah, man, look at the back of this car, the wing and everything. Now this Porsche, I think it's a Boxster or Turbo S. Yeah, it's a 911 Turbo S. Beautiful car, man. This one is better. That's what I'm saying. I mean, that's a 911 Turbo S, but this one right here is something special, man. Like, it's so special that I cannot even tell you guys how much I actually love this car, how much I like it. We're gonna go on another drive. You guys might see the tires and everything. They're brand new. This is a 23 model, so everything in this car is like a 10 out of 10. It's so special. And yeah, we might actually go with this car, but you know what? Let's go on a ride again and let's see how good it is in speed. Having fun with the car unless you're not like pushing it to the limits. We're gonna go do it in a proper road, but yeah, it's pretty fun. It's very fast, but surprisingly, I still kind of compare it to a Lamborghini. I am gonna put on the sports mode now. Oh my god, okay, sports mode is so much more different, I swear to god. This whole time I had it on the normal mode and it felt kind of normal. But sports mode actually like gives you that adrenaline, you know? You know the thing is, I've been in fast cars like Lambo and stuff like that, so it doesn't really hit like that. You know, that fast, especially in the normal mode. But imagine if I put it into the track. I don't think I should do it. People ask me what success sounds like. Let me show it to you guys. Guys, a few years ago I literally used to dream about me being in a Lambo, but me currently sitting in a car like this, it just feels unbelievable. And it's something that, you know, hopefully gives you guys the motivation that you need to start working hard. You know, you need to actually take your life serious, wallahi, because until what day or what year or what age are you gonna keep being the same? Or are you gonna keep being lazy and not actually working towards your dreams? Because what are you gonna go with this life? You have one shot, one chance, and you have to make it out. Like, you have to do something to actually make this life count, you know? This is just a motivation for everyone to start working hard, because at the end of the day, the only way you're gonna be at the position where you wanna be in life is by actually putting the work that nobody else does. If 99% of the people are now working hard or now working towards their goals, you could literally be that 1% actually going out there and putting steps towards your dreams and having the car like this under your feet. I mean, what's impossible for you, you know? What's impossible for you is only the limitation that you have put inside your own brain for yourself. And you can have everything that you have ever wanted if you work hard for it, you know? Guys, I'm in this beautiful street of Dubai where you can see the Burj Khalifa and everything. And let me tell you guys the experience that I've had with this car so far. Now, I truly feel like if I show this car to any member of my family, they're gonna love it too. Just because this car has such a good speed that I don't think so any of my family members or even my friends have been in a car like this, so it truly feels amazing. And again, the neck braking is another factor of it. Every person that sees this car literally like stares at it and looks into this car for such a long time, waves at it, and it just gives a complete different vibe. Oh my god, bro, I thought that was something inside my car, but that's actually a construction that's going on over here. SubhanAllah, it kind of scared me, guys. Don't know if you guys can hear it, but anyways, look at where I am, guys. The beautiful city of Dubai. A lot of people actually wish to live here. A lot of people already live here, but they don't really see the worth of it. They don't really try their best or work as hard as they should be working, which is very unfortunate, and it's very sad. Like, you have got this amazing opportunity of a lifetime and you're not gonna use that to your advantage. Like, bro, you're making a mistake, subhanallah. And you should understand that, you know, as soon as you possibly can, that you've got an opportunity that you do not want to miss out on, you know. And this opportunity does not come to everyone, and it comes once in a lifetime. So again, look at this, guys. Guys, the adrenaline is insane in this car. It just feels so crazy, and I wish I could just show it to you guys or give each one of you guys a ride in this beautiful car. Unfortunately, I can't, but what I will be doing is giving away a ride for whoever who has watched this video until this point. If you have watched this video until here, I want you to go in the comment section, comment RT or just comment HE, and I will actually give you guys a free ride in this beautiful car. So make sure you guys actually do that. Make sure you guys actually, you know, comment that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had an amazing time with me together in this beautiful 911 GT. It's such a pretty car. It's such a beautiful car. I'll never forget this. I'll probably always, inshallah, think about getting this every single minute. So I am gonna make the decision very soon, but before that, I'm gonna surprise my dad. So if you guys wanna watch that, inshallah, make sure you guys subscribe.